Ever thought, I wish I could write a song? It feels magical, right? The idea of creating something from nothing, of expressing your deepest emotions and thoughts through music is enchanting. Imagine the joy of hearing your own melody, your own lyrics coming to life. Like pulling a story out of thin air. It's like capturing a moment, a feeling, and turning it into something that can be shared with the world. A song can be a reflection of your soul, a piece of your heart. Many think it takes ages, years even. The process can seem daunting, like a mountain too high to climb. You might think you need endless hours of practice, or a deep understanding of music theory. It can feel scary, too big to start. The blank page can be intimidating, and the fear of not being good enough can hold you back. But don't let that stop you. But guess what? You can write a song, fast, and it's fun. You don't need to be a professional musician or a lyrical genius. All you need is a bit of creativity and the willingness to try. Let's write a song, together, in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. In just 10 minutes, you can create something beautiful. We'll guide you through the process, step by step. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll start with a simple idea, a theme or a feeling you want to express. Then we'll build on that, adding melody and lyrics. We'll break it down into simple steps. From brainstorming ideas to crafting the perfect chorus, we'll make it manageable and fun. You'll be surprised at how quickly it all comes together. Ready to unleash your inner Mozart? Let's go. Grab your notebook, your instrument, and let's dive into the magical world of songwriting. Together we'll create something amazing. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, first things first, let's get one thing straight. Let's ditch the idea that songwriting needs fancy studios and years of practice. You don't need to be a seasoned musician or have access to high-end equipment to create something beautiful. Sure, those help pros make polished music and they can certainly add a layer of sophistication to your tracks, but the essence of songwriting is much simpler and more accessible than that. Anyone can write a song. It's not about the tools you have, but the stories you want to tell. Think of it as storytelling, but with a musical twist. It's like telling a story, but with music. You can start with just a melody in your head or a few words that mean something to you. You don't need a Grammy to have a melody in your heart. The most important thing is your passion and creativity. This is about expressing your creativity, finding your unique voice, and sharing your story with the world. It's about capturing those fleeting moments of inspiration and turning them into something tangible. We'll use simple tools, the kind you already have. Your smartphone, a basic recording app, or even just a pen and paper can be your best friends in this journey. Ready to prove those doubters wrong? Let's do this. Together we'll explore the art of songwriting and show that anyone can create music that resonates. Every great song has a story, a feeling. What's song about? Love, friendship, a funny cat video, anything goes. This is your theme, the heart of your song. Don't overthink it. Pick something you love, something that makes you something. Write it down. That's your anchor. See? Easy peasy. Section 4, melody, the song's dance. Now let's make it sing. Every story has a rhythm, right? Tap your foot, clap your hands, feel that? That's the start of your melody. Hum a simple tune that fits your theme. Happy theme, think bright, bouncy notes. Sad theme, try something slower, more flowing. No right or wrong, just what right. Section 5, lyrics. The song speaks. We've got a story, a melody. But now, let's give it words. This is where the magic happens. Look at your theme, the core of your song. What do you want to say about it? What emotions do you want to convey? What rhymes? Write down those thoughts, those feelings. Don't hold back. Think about the message you want to deliver. Is it a story of love, heartbreak, joy, or sorrow? What images come to mind? Jot down everything, even if it seems silly at first. Don't worry about perfect grammar, just let it flow. The first draft is all about getting your ideas out. You can refine it later. Try singing your words to your melody. Fit them in, change them up. Experiment with different phrasings and rhythms. Have fun with it. This is your creative process, your unique voice. Embrace it and let your song speak.